and welcome to this video from StockChartscom. This tutorial will show chartists how to use the predefined technical alerts page and to receive alerts via Twitter. And these alerts make it really easy to monitor the market in real time and keep up with the technical signals as they happen. Here's what we're going to cover today. We're going to show you some of the different alerts and securities that are covered on this page. We'll show you where to find the predefined technical alerts page. And finally, once you're on that page, we'll show you how to use the summary view and the timeline view to view these alerts as they happen. So on the left of this page, you can see that we have a screenshot from the predefined technical alerts page. And we cover new highs. You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5-year highs. You'll see when key levels are breached. For instance, when the S&P 500 moves above or below 1,500, or gold moves above or below 1,600. When the bullish percent indices cross above or below a key level, 50 or 200-day moving average crossover, and MACD crossovers. And we also cover a wide array of securities: gold, the dollar, oil, S&P 500, the sector SPDRs, all the major indices. So there's a lot of good alerts here for you to use. So here's a chart of the S&P 500 with some of the alerts that have triggered over the past year and 3 months. And not every alert is shown on here, but as you can see, there's a lot of activity going on, and getting these alerts on Twitter or checking the technical alerts page can really help you act on a signal. So you can follow us on Twitter. The handle is StockChartscom, or you can look for the hashtag SCC alerts. So there are two places that you can access the predefined technical alerts page. The first one being from the home page at StockCharts.com. And from the home page, if you go over to the right navigation side, you'll see some key links. And there we have predefined technical alerts. And you can click on that link to be taken to the page. You can also access the predefined technical alerts from the free charts page. And I'm clicking on that now. This is a really good page to start out with when you're going to StockCharts.com. And if you go over to the right navigation side, down to the lower right, you will see predefined technical alerts as well. And you can click that to be taken to this page. So here's a view of the predefined technical alerts page, and we're viewing it in summary format. And you can see at the top we have the today's alerts box, and that shows you the current alerts that have triggered for the current trading day. And of course, the ones with green shading are bullish alerts. Those ones with red shading are bearish alerts. And you can scroll down on that page to see all of the past alerts that have been triggered, as well as the date and the time that they were triggered. If you go back up to the top, you'll see that each of these securities has a link. In other words, the name has a hyperlink. And when you click on that link, you'll be taken to a sharp chart. And that sharp chart will be based on your default setting for sharp charts. In addition to the summary view, users can view this in timeline view by clicking the timeline view link. And that will take you to a different picture of the predefined technical alerts. And you'll have a rectangular shaped box with two halves. And you can click on either half, hold that click down, and drag these alerts to see them evolve over time. And as we move forward, you can see the year below, and you can click on that section as well to drag it forward and backward. So you can see we're currently in February 2013. If you go back, you can see a number of alerts were triggered back in November 2012 and in December 2012. And then we had a little bit of a hiatus, and we had some alerts starting to trigger in late February 2013. You can also click on these names because they do have a link, and that will show you a small chart. So as you can see from this video, the technical alerts page makes it easy to keep track of technical signals in the financial market. And it's really easy to follow via Twitter so you can see these signals in real time. In our next video, I will show members with extra and pro accounts how they can create user-defined technical alerts. And that concludes today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. Good luck and good charting.